Hi everyone, it's Dr. Kim. So in my past, the previous term that just ended, I had a number of students who really struggled with giving me their R file. You have to excuse my throat. I'm having allergies really bad today, so I apologize for clearing my throat. Anyway, I have some code already up. This is actually something you'll work on in week 6 or 5. I forget which one. It doesn't matter at this juncture. Anyway, you've got RStudio loaded. To start a new file, go to New, File, RScript, and it will create the window where you write your code. Library. I'm going to write library. Okay, rules. I already have that. Notice that when I type, that R likes to try to resolve things for me, which is nice. Okay, so this is where you write your code here in this space. This space is your console where the output happens. So if I clicked on run this, notice there it's showing me that I'm running, that I'm loading my libraries and blah, blah, blah. Again, just quick, run that. There we go. And then as you can see, so the output happens here. It's not going to happen in here. All this is a code file. If I run the plot, the plots will show up over here in this window under plots. And if you generate a number of them, you can go back and forth. I haven't created a number of them. The other cool thing is we can export, save as image. I'm telling you this now ahead of time because one of the things I want to share is when you create a report, you need to have visualizations in your report that convey the information you're sharing. But I'm getting off track a little bit because this is literally about how to save your file as an R file. Okay, but anyway, I figured while I had it open, I'd show you a little something. This is not something that you're going to be doing for the first assignment anyway. So now that I have my code all written, I want to save it. It's a very simple file, save as. I actually have a folder called Save as R, and we've got my file there. I've named it. You can name it whatever you want. I actually prefer a nice naming convention. Week one, if I could type, what are you're doing stocks, and I really would like your last name. That really helps me when I'm downloading all the files. So I'm just gonna, that's not really what it is. It's actually groceries, but regardless, you understand what I'm saying. So I'm gonna click save. And now that I've done that, I will open my folder, my Save as R folder, and there it is. The only thing that is in here is a .r is R file. R file. Some students do some different ways of saving, and it saves like the project file, and you've got other files that are part of the project file. And what happens is students will upload the wrong file, and therefore we have to go back and forth with each other until I get the right file. So anyway, you when you're loading this into Canvas, Canvas will accept an R file. You can put it in a zip file if you want to, but Canvas will accept this file just like it is. So you can browse and attach this file when you turn in your assignments. That's it. Bada bing, bada boom. Um, yes, in later weeks you will be providing code and reports, but for the first assignment, you literally just need that code file. I hope this helps and get you over that hump that I struggled with some students in my previous term, uh, turning in files that were not, there are code files. So again, hope this helps. Reach out to me if you have any questions. Have a great day.